My future career goal is to own my own gym and healthcare facility. I love helping people and see change and progress throughout the weeks to months. The master's degree at Merrimack College, I think, will equip me far beyond what I hope to accomplish as a director of a gym. The professors have granted me the opportunity to be enrolled in a fellowship at the YMCA, which has given me hands-on experience doing what I love to do, helping others live healthier lives. My fellowship involves me evaluating new members that come in and administering exercise programs for them, gaining knowledge from my classes to put into use at my site has been very beneficial, and using those communication skills that I've also learned at Merrimack, incorporate talking to members, engaging in conversations with them, and helping them on their journey to a healthier life. The professors at Merrimack College are encouraging, open, they're also very inviting. You can stop in at their office, say hi, just have a conversation with them. If they see you walking on campus, they'll know you by your first name. So just having that relationship with them makes you more comfortable and, in the end, more successful. Gaining that hands-on experience from Merrimack College has made me more comfortable and equipped to transition that into the real world after I graduate.